Welcome all to the Department of Biochemistry. It is established on the June 2006. The intake capacity of a student is 24. The students from the All Life Sciences branch are eligible for this enrollment. The first batch was 2008. The vision of the department is to be one of the foremost research departments in the Maharashtra, to have the international standing and to be known for the excellence in academics and the research. The missions of this department is to provide high quality programs in the biochemistry. It's also provide graduates the sound knowledge of fundamental principles and practical practices in the biochemistry. It also provides the best possible service to the other programs in the Faculty of Science. It also recruit, support and retain the best possible academic research and technical staff. The mission is to train the competent, professional biochemist with the knowledge, skill and values required to address a need for a high level manpower in the India. The departmental infrastructure. It includes the chemicals, glasswares, also the desk for the experiments. It includes all the required chemicals for practical courses also, and it also help in the project work for the students. The laboratory equipment includes the spectrophotometer, which is required to analyze the absorption spectra of a nucleic acid or a protein. Then we have the cooling centrifuge, which is required for the molecular biology practicals. Then we have the horizontal electrophoresis apparatus, which is required to see the isolated DNA under UV trans illuminator. We have the microscope for the biological studies of cells. Then we have the pH meters. In the Department of Biochemistry, the practical courses deals with all the required chemicals with the specific pH. So it provided. We have the refrigerators and deep freezer also, which is required to store some chemicals which are stable under the refrigerating conditions. We have autoclave, which is required for the media sterilization than the glassware sterilization. All these things are required for the tissue culture purpose. Then we have the microwave oven for drying the extract. Then we have laminar airflow, which is required for the plant tissue culture practicals. It's also required for microbiology practicals to maintain the aseptic conditions. We have the Doppler centrifuge, which is required for the sedimentation. We have glass chromatography to conduct the practicals for the for the quantitative analysis. Then we have UV visible spectrophotometer. In teaching, we have the academic calendar, teaching plans, planning of practicals and teacher's diary, which includes the programs conducted in the department. It also required for enhancing the growth or knowledge for the students. The planning of practicals also required for the skill development. The teacher's diary is include the all over the work which is carried out during the academics. The learning resources are we have the lots of reference books in the central library. Then we have departmental library also. We have the Indian journals of biochemistry, biophysics, medical science, bioscience, and experimental biology. Now, some of the major achievements of our department. The Sweta Mapari she was participated and presented a paper in the national level conference sponsored by the UGC at Solapur in 2013 and she achieved the second prize. Then Sumita Mhatre is participated in the poster presentation competition which is held at Jalgaon. The competition was Bio-Innova. The Kalpana Jha participated in the conference at Goa in the Department of Biochemistry. Then the student Miss Pallavi Tidke have fourth rank student in the university in the year 2011. Then Miss Suvidha Matre presented a poster. Then we conducted the thalassemia anemia detection camp in 23rd February 2013. We celebrate the nutritional week also. In thalassemia camp, the 2 days camp were organized. We checked the 75 people who are from them suffering from the anemia. No one is suffering from the thalassemia. Then we have the orientation program. In orientation program, the topic was the human anatomy, which is by the botany department of KTHM College. The information regarding the various parts and the organs of a human body were discussed and explained during this program. This program involved and take information regarding upon the internal organs of the human body with the help of models, diagrams. The teacher explained the functioning of a human brain, heart, lungs, and the other health or realistic model to kept in the hall. During this program, the students from the Maratha High School of a department are visited and gain the information regarding the circulation of a body. During this program, the head VM Parashare ma'am, Aarti Guge ma'am, and Snehal Shivare ma'am and other dignitaries were present. They organized under the guidance of the principal Dr. V.B. Gaikwad sir. The students of MSc first and second year students were participated in this program. We also organized the industrial visit. In the celebration of Nutritional Week, we have the well-known dietitian Miss Manjeri Doshi ma'am. She spoken about what is the difference between diet and nutrition, also focused on 10 different ways to maintain a good health. The students of biochemistry and maths department also good give good response to the lecture series by attending the lectures. In this way, we had the successfully conducted the lecture series. The future plans of our department is to establish collaboration with the national and international institutions. Also want to organize the international conference on clinical biochemistry. Also to start the departmental consultancy and genetic counseling. Thank you.